Tired of AI giving you a different face every time you try a new scene? Imagine keeping your character's look 100% consistent, whether they're at a desk, in the park, or on the stairs thinking deep thoughts. Like here's a guy sitting at his desk. Now suddenly, he's in the gym, at the park, sipping coffee on a balcony, or sitting on the stairs thinking deep thoughts. And it still looks like the exact same person. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome back to Software for Creators. Today, we're checking out Playground AI, an image AI tool that's not just fast and easy to use, but absolutely nails character consistency. You can switch angles, change locations, add accessories, even edit, fill, or expand your images, all with just a click. We're talking light-speed image generation in seconds, with a clean interface that makes creating feel effortless. Speed? All right, so how do you actually get started? Now here's a nice little bonus. Before you even create your first image, Playground gives you 200 free credits. I actually did the math. And based on my tests, each result uses about 4 to 5 credits, so you can create quite a few images before even thinking about paying. All right, so why am I even reviewing Playground AI? Simple. It's got 4 things that really stand out for me. First, it's super easy. And when I say easy, I mean click, upload an image, or type your prompt, hit generate, done. Second, it's fast. You're getting results in seconds, not minutes. Third, the features actually work the way you expect. You can edit, expand, or fill an image without weird glitches. And fourth, my favorite, character consistency. If you create a character once, you can make different versions of them in new locations, poses, and outfits, just like we saw in the intro. All right, so how do you actually get started? Just head over to Google and search for Playground AI. Click on the very first link you see. From there, you'll need to sign in, either with Google or your email. And yeah, this part's not optional, you can't skip it. Just tick the verification box, click Login with Google, finish the sign-in, and then hit Get Started. Now here's a nice little bonus. Before you even create your first image, Playground gives you 200 free credits. I actually did the math, and based on my tests, each result uses about 4 to 5 credits, so you can create quite a few images before even thinking about paying. All right, let's start with the first feature, Generate. Here on my screen, you can see the main workspace. Now, you can use Generate in 2 ways. First way, just type a prompt, and I like to keep it realistic so creators can actually use it. For example, a modern desk setup with a laptop and microphone for recording. Wait a few seconds. And here's your laptop with the podcast setup. Looks clean, right? You can look at the details, explore the scene, and then download it. Next, a person working on a laptop in a coffee shop. Now, before we actually hit generate, see this 3-dot icon right here next to the button? If I click that, I get a few extra options. Aspect ratio. I'll keep it at the default for now. Batch size. You can get 1 to 4 images at once. I usually stick with 1. Prompt upscaling. Makes your result more detailed. Output image type. I'll keep PNG, but you can change to JPG. Seed. Useful if you want to recreate the exact same image later. Alright, now for the real magic, character consistency. I'm going to upload an image of this guy, and then run a few different prompts. Create this character in the park. Hit generate, wait a few seconds. Now, create this character in the gym. Generate again, done. Next, create this character sitting on stairs thinking about something. And finally, create this character drinking coffee in a balcony, side view. Each time you can see it's the same character, just in different scenes, which is what makes Playground AI so good for storytelling and branding. Next, let's check out the edit feature. So I'm going to upload an image here. You can see it's the same character we used earlier. Now, just like before, I can type a prompt. For this demo, I'll type, change the clothes and make the character wear a white shirt and remove the mic. I'm keeping the extra settings the same as before. Aspect ratio, batch size, all of that. And now I'll hit generate. Give it a few seconds. And there we go. The mic is gone. And the character is now wearing a nice clean white shirt. Super quick, super easy, and the results actually match what I typed. All right, now let's move on to the fill feature. I'm going to use the same image again. This time, instead of changing the whole thing, we'll just edit a specific area. So I'll grab the brush and mark this empty space right in front of the character on the desk. Now I'll type in, add a laptop here, keeping all the other settings the same, and hit generate. And there it is, a laptop perfectly placed on the desk. It blends right into the scene and it makes the image look way more complete. And finally, My favorite feature, expand. Here, you barely have to do anything. I'm uploading an image, and now all I have to do is drag the outline around it to decide how much I want to expand. There is a limit though. You can only go up to 1440 pixels in width and 1440 pixels in height. The prompt here is optional. You could type something like, add a laptop or place a table next to the chair, but I'm going to leave it blank this time and just hit generate. And look at that. It literally expanded the image from nothing, filling in new details that weren't there before. It's like zooming out on reality. And here's a bonus about this AI tool. Right on the home page, you can access multiple preset options or so-called ready-to-use features that give you unique features with a single click. They call it utilities, and it includes tools like Move Camera, Relight, Product Photo, Zoom, Colorize, Remove Text, Furniture, Cartoonify, Movie Poster Maker, Hairstyle, and more. So that's Playground AI. 4 powerful features, super easy to use, insanely fast, and the best part, it keeps your characters perfectly consistent across any scene you can imagine. You've got 200 free credits waiting for you, so you can test everything out before spending a single cent. I'll leave the link down below. Go try it out and see what you can create. Trust me, once you start playing with it, you'll get hooked.